नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं चैनल वन। इनर व्हील क्लब हाईलैंड पार्क और इंकिन पब्लिशर की पहल कहानी लेखन के माध्यम से युवा प्रतिभाओं को बढ़ावा देने के लिए अ कलेक्शन ऑफ शॉर्ट स्टोरीज वॉइस अनबाउंड बुक कवर लॉन्च का आयोजन हाईलैंड पार्क कोलकाता में 9 जुलाई 2025 को रखा गया। आइए देखते हैं इस बुक कवर लॉन्च की कुछ झलकियां एक्सक्लूसिव चैनल वन के साथ।
Wonderful event. It's very unique. I think I'm very much inspired by what Inner Wheel Club of Highland Park has done, and the very idea to bring children who are not so fortunate in life, to bring them into the mainstream, allowing them to write stories and getting it published. It's wonderful, and I'm sure that this will give us at least few authors for the future. Because the children, when they know that they are being recognized, it will be a moral boost for them, and we look forward to many such budding writers.
This is a very innovative project. I mean, thinking about the children of the underprivileged background and giving them a chance to share their thoughts and share their stories and telling us and getting it published is something we have never thought about before. So I congratulate Inner Wheel Club of Highland Park for thinking of this project and doing it in such a beautiful way.
This is given an opportunity to those children who actually can't be heard, क्योंकि वो आते हैं समाज के जिनको हम देख नहीं पाते, क्योंकि आधे हैं जो फ्री स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, कॉर्पोरेशन स्कूल्स में पढ़ते हैं, तो उनके लिए एक मौका बना दिया गया है जहाँ उनके लिखे कुछ प्रबंध, कुछ कहानियाँ हम सबके पास पहुँचा सकते हैं. So this gives the children a sense of achievement that they can also reach where their higher socio-economic group children can reach. So it gives them that opportunity to be seen, to be heard. It's a sense of pride in themselves, self-respect, आत्मसम्मान बढ़ाने की एक ये बहुत बड़ी कोशिश है. और हम चाहेंगे कि ये क्लब, इनर व्हील क्लब ऑफ हाईलैंड पार्क, इस तरह के और भी मौके बना दें इन बच्चों के लिए जिनको हम देखकर भी नहीं देखते हैं.
Mukherjee, President of Inner Wheel Club of Highland Park. We mainly work on underprivileged children. While walking, we have seen they are extremely innovative, they are full of thoughts, so we tried to give them a platform. Inkin Publisher helped us to give us that platform where these small children who came from the background that is not like ours, they can tell their stories, they can think, they can also achieve something. So we want to publish, we are going to publish one book of short stories written by them. Thank you.
Hi, so basically we are publishing the book, like most of us have mentioned above, of underprivileged children who are writing their own thoughts, and we are giving them the platform to kind of put forward their ideas. The mainly what I'm going to talk about is the basic idea behind this. So like the cover page mentions, it's basically a platform for those voices who have been kind of hushed down by the barriers which are very omnipresent in society but are invisible to the naked eye. So the fact that this kind of work allows them to express their thoughts and ideas and bring them into the forefront of society is something that we have tried to do. So this is definitely something that we look forward to publishing, and we want to garner the kind of incredible thoughts and tap into the incredible ideas that these children definitely have but do not get the opportunity to kind of show them. So this is a huge leap for us, and I hope it carries forward and reaches those and touches those people who read them and touches many hearts that we kind of want to put forward to.
Hi, this is Soni Sinha from Inkin Publishers, and this is
Anita Goel from Innerville Club of Highland Park. We started this.
it started over a cup of coffee.
at Acropolis Mall.
Yeah, at Acropolis Mall. We know each other. We knew each other from a long time, but it never happened that we'll sit over a coffee or something. But
Yes, and then we were talking generally, and then suddenly both of us, we wanted to do something for the underprivileged children. So since she has a publishing house, so we put the question forward that if we do some stories by the underprivileged children who doesn't get a chance to come to the mainstream, to give them a platform to express what they feel, their view. So the story, our story, I think we started from there, right?
yeah, this actually the children, they have written on their own, and those stories in the vernacular language in Hindi, English and Bengali are going to be published in this book. This book will be available on Amazon, Flipkart and Kindle for everyone to read. And
We are planning to release this book around the Children's Day. Children's Day, that is in the month of November. So maybe we will bring the children also to, we'll give them a platform to read their own stories. Let's see how it goes soon.
yeah.
ये सिर्फ बुक का आज कवर लॉन्च हुआ है.
Right.
Yeah, this was a book cover reveal, and the book launch will happen in November.
मैम ये क्या लास्ट है या फ्यूचर में भी ऐसा कुछ आपने सोच रखा है?
One step at a time, I think.
Yeah,
We'll think about something else.
This was the first time I collaborated with Innerville, but I'm sure we'll do many more things together. We have done similar projects with women also, which was launched on Women's Day, but for children this is the first time. There are other projects going on with different schools, but not for the underprivileged. This was the first one which we are doing.
Actually, our club, our Innerville Club is just 3 years old. We have just completed 3 years old, and our main focus, and I think Innerville Club is all about service and friendship. So, service ke liye we thought of doing majorly for the children because they are the future of tomorrow. So we thought of working with the children, and we do work with children with autistic needs, children with hearing impaired. Even we do work with the children of Umar Shopno, that is the sex workers children. We do a lot of work with them. So this is also one of our one of our way of giving these children, because the stories which has come, it has come from all these NGOs. So these people, the children where we work for, they have written their views. Our criteria was you can write your views, your own stories, not to copy paste it. Whatever you feel like, whatever you want to be or something like that. So that was the main thing which we told the children to write about, think about and write about.